Aloha, and welcome to this edition of your Cocoa Beach area surf and beach forecast. We have a ton of things to get through, so let's jump right into it. Each year around this time, the Space Coast spends a lot of time and effort raising awareness about a problem that plagues a lot of people in the Sunshine State as well as worldwide. And I'm talking about skin cancer. Each year, over 1 million people are diagnosed with skin cancer, and 10,000 die annually. As a person who spends many hours in the sun, this is something that weighs heavily on my mind, which is why I'm so stoked to be a part of the 3rd annual Bright House Network's World Skin Cancer Foundation Fall Classic. The Fall Classic kicks off this weekend with the AAU National Surfing Championships, which will be held behind coconuts on the beach. This championship will attract top competitors from Puerto Rico, North Carolina, Florida, and California. So you're probably wondering, well, should I bring my surfboard when I head over this weekend? And the answer is absolutely. The weekend is shaping up to be a good surf weekend. It's going to start off a little rough. Literally rough. Friday, we're going to have sloppy, choppy conditions. We will see overhead sets. However, there's going to be a strong onshore breeze, about 20 to 25 knots. It's not going to be too much fun during the day. But now, before you go getting all down on the surf, there is the slight chance that Friday evening we'll see the winds shift offshore and the surf clean up. I'm not talking late in the evening. I'm talking about 4 o'clock. So you're definitely going to want to keep an eye on that. Saturday, we're going to see some waist to chest high clean waves. Southwest winds will clean up the surf, and it's going to be the day to head out. Sunday, we're back to choppy. During the day, it'll clean up a little in the afternoon, and we'll see waist to chest high conditions. And now for your tide and sunrise sunset info. Friday, the sun will rise at 7:28 a.m., setting at 6:43 p.m. Low tide will be at 10:54 a.m. and a high tide at 5:13 p.m. Then on Saturday, sun will rise at 7:29 a.m. Sun will set at 6:42 p.m. A low tide will be at 11:47 a.m. and high tide at 5:56 p.m. Sunday, the sun will rise at 7:30 a.m. on the dot and set at 6:42 p.m. Low tide 12:36 p.m. and high tide at 6:37 p.m. As you can see, the Space Coast is the place to be this weekend. It's going to be a great one, and I hope to see you out here. This is Niki Wheat, and I'll see you next week.